You know that gut feeling you get when a client needs to change, but the data's just not there to back it up? Well, that's where APQC Benchmarking comes in. You can license high-value KPIs from finance automation to HR, supply chain, digital manufacturing, and more. We even have emerging areas like cybersecurity and ESG. It's a flexible, fast way to benchmark your clients against the best and support every recommendation with data that sticks. With more than 4,400 performance measures and 5.7 million data points, you can license exactly what you need, by metric, by process area, or a customized bundle that fits your engagement. Head over to apqc.org/licensing, getting started, or just contact me at chill@apqc.org to explore your options. It's benchmarking on demand, but built for consulting.